In this video, we're going to go over the steps to enroll and register for an Agility Platform class, and then get access to the course materials. The process will change slightly depending on the class, but this should be very consistent for all Agility Platform classes that involve labs. The first step is to enroll in your class. You do this by going into the class that you wish to enroll in, and then going into the administration box on the right side and clicking Enroll Me in this course. To complete the enrollment process, simply click on Enroll Me to enroll in the class. When you look in the course administration box, you should now see Unenroll Me from the class that you just chose. If not, you may want to try this procedure again. Next, we need to find a session for this particular class. We do this by looking in the calendar and finding the right date. Courses will typically start on Tuesdays, so you should be able to find your class by looking on successive Tuesdays until you find the class that you're looking for and finding an open session. And then from there, simply click on the session to go to Eventbrite. Once we found a session, we click on it to go enroll in that session within Eventbrite. Verify that this is in fact the class and the session that you wish to enroll in. Bear in mind that if it's not the right one, we have sessions starting usually every week to 2 weeks for all of our classes. So, assuming that this is what you're looking for, click on the Register button. You will want to fill in the information, so you will need to provide your name and your email address in order to register in the class. For this process, you will need to enter your first and last name and also verify your email address. And you should also see it in Ticket 1. And with that, you should be able to validate that you have in fact been registered for the class. Click on the button at the bottom of the screen that says Complete Registration to complete this process. Clicking on the Complete Registration button should open up an Eventbrite browser window where you can go in and look for tickets. And what you'll want to do is verify your session. Find and click on your session to open up more information, particularly getting the order confirmation number. Now we need to copy our order confirmation number so we can use that to submit within our class in order to get access to the course materials. Highlight and copy your order confirmation number. You will want to open the Getting Started section. This may be named slightly differently depending on the class, but it will contain certain key elements. One of those is Submit Order Confirmation Number and Verify Instructor Email. So those are what you're going to be looking for next. Now we can submit our order confirmation number by clicking on the Submit Order Confirmation Number assignment. Now we can click on Edit Submission to copy over the order confirmation number. When the text box opens, simply paste the order confirmation number and click Save Changes. This will take us back to the submission status window, and just simply click on the class again to go back to the main class window, and you've completed the submission. Now you will see that the Submit Order Confirmation Number assignment is check marked, and that's showing that it has in fact been completed. The next thing that we need to do is check off the instructor email. Approximately 24 hours before you start your class, sometimes a little bit less than that, you will get an email specifically called an instructor email from your instructor giving you configuration information and access information for your class, things like your student number. And these are going to be very important for you to proceed with your class. So make sure that you read that instructor email very carefully and check it off within this window. This will allow you to get access to the rest of the course materials. The course documents and lectures should now be available. If you are still having issues, please email training@servicemesh.com and we will be happy to assist you further. Thank you.